Hi, I'm Kenny at Listowel Honda. Today I'd like to take a bit of your time to go over how to use Honda's cabin control app. With the Honda app open on the smartphone and a Wi-Fi connection established, choose a feature like front audio. Now you have control of the front audio system, except the volume control from any connected smart device. If you want to change rear climate control functions, no problem, as long as the rear lock isn't engaged by someone up front. On models with a rear entertainment system, the remote and its functions can be displayed on each connected device. And on navigation, you can send a new destination or a point of interest to the navigation system, even while the vehicle is moving. Note that if the vehicle isn't equipped with navigation or rear entertainment system, these features will be disabled on the app. You can even create a social playlist of songs with each device added to it. Just select the song and add to the list. Note that social playlist will search for songs from the storage space on your device, and it will not search for songs stored on the cloud or other apps. From the display audio, you can manage the songs. Simply select Social Playlist from the home screen, then select Queue. To play a song, just select it from the list. To remove a song, select the X. To clear all songs from the list, select Clear Queue. For more details on this feature, see your owner's manual. And to learn more about other features offered on your Honda, give us a call or visit us online at listowelhonda.com.